Om Namah Shivaya. Here you see amazing miracle collection from Indian Ocean. Here you can see the clear face of Lord Shiva. You can see two eyes, nose, more clear face of Lord Shiva here. And down it looks like a goddess Parvati. Okay, now Lord Shiva, it looks like a goddess Parvati, and like this you can see the clear shape of Nandi, face of Nandi, body clear body Nandi, and it is having just only two line. Just two line is very rare to collect. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Extremely miracle collection from Indian Ocean. It's having just two lines. Just you can see only two lines, and at top you can see a clear image of Lord Shiva, two eyes, nose, and you can see mouth of Lord Shiva, clear Lord Shiva. And then now it looks like a goddess Parvati, and in turn like you can see the clear Nandi face, Nandi city. Amazing collection. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Totally unbelievable collection from the Indian version. Two lines, ShivaParvathi, Maganandi Coach. Amazing, beautiful collection from Indian Ocean. Unbelievable collection. By having this conch with you, you will get extreme energy and vibrations of Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati, and get success in all your work. See how clear the Lord Shiva, how clear Lord Shiva is. Two eyes, nose, mouth. Till now looking like a Goddess Parvati, very clear Goddess Parvati. Totally mind blowing, totally mind blowing. See, now Lord Shiva, clear Lord Shiva, two eyes, nose, mouth of Lord Shiva. Now look like a clear Parvati, clear Parvati. Totally amazing mind blowing collection from Indian Ocean. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.